breakfast is what I have every morning. I have French vanilla sugar-free coffee creamer in my second cup of coffee. My first cup is always black. I take medicine that requires that you cannot have anything but the black coffee. So I never count my, hello Miss Cali. Hello, good morning. Yeah. Good morning. Good morning. What? She was rubbing against my leg. Sorry about that. She needed to say good morning. But anyways, I never count my creamer because I have 1 tablespoon in there and it's about 0 points. So, and truthfully, I don't always drink all of it because I don't like cold coffee because I get to crafting. So, and this is my a 7-point smoothie. I use 2% milk. I use frozen bananas and strawberries today. And I count that as 3 points. The milk, no, I count that as 2 points because there's more strawberries than bananas in it. So, and then I have Greek yogurt for 0 points and 5 points for my 2% milk. So 7 points for this, and this will be my breakfast. And this will take me to lunchtime about 1 o'clock. So I will talk to you all later. So I want to show you my amaryllises. I didn't realize that my amaryllis bulb would flower again. And, you know, I quit watering them and everything like I was supposed to, I thought. And then this one decided to start growing. So, of course, I've been starting to re-water it. It's getting its second leaf there. There is a leaf there. I don't know if this will get a bulb or not. This one has not done anything yet. I think what I need to do is repot them. And I don't know. But I think that's what I'm going to do is give this fresh soil. Give this one fresh soil. Maybe these are the containers that came in at Christmas time, and maybe go out in the in my potting area and look for a couple of pots to put them in and see if that helps this one here. But I do know that about September, October, I need to cut everything back down and then put them in a dark place so they regenerate, so that they will bloom again in December. But this one has just shot right up. I mean, it's already past my countertop right here. It has just shot right up. So, the first time I'm having amaryllis bulbs from the store, and hopefully they will reflower again. I know my mom said I can put them outside too, so we'll see. We have lots of sun in our backyard, and that would be too much. So I'm going to see about repotting these. But if you have any suggestions on amaryllis bulbs, I've Googled it. So, but I just had to show you how this amaryllis has taken off within the last week. So I'll talk to you guys later. Hey guys, today for lunch is my 9-point salad that I had a couple days ago, and I am using the leftover or what's left of the salad. So in my 9-point salad, there will be raisins, there is shredded Colby Jack cheese, croutons, bacon bits, an apple, turkey, and a Bolthouse Ranch style dressing, and a salad. And what basically is a garden salad with carrots and all that stuff. So for my lunch today, this will be a 9-point lunch, and I'm going to enjoy this. And I just filled up my 32-ounce glass with pink Crystal Light lemonade, and I'm hoping to get at least 3 of those in today. So I will talk to you at supper time.